Hi, my name is Amora, and something that I enjoyed the most when doing this program is I really enjoyed learning more about money, not just about spending it and saving it, but also investing and other things like that, and what to do to earn more money. And something that I learned was about the stock market, what companies to invest in, researching about the companies, and making sure that you're investing at the right place and just about it, which was really interesting to me. And something that I plan to do moving forward is probably just saving my money a lot more, investing some of my money into some companies, and yeah, just being more mindful of what I do with my money. And yeah, that's all. So have a great day.